So I just want to show you an example of keeping track of your beverages. I'm going to have San Pellegrino, which is fizzy water basically. And as you can see, it's got nothing but zeros in it, which makes it a 0-calorie beverage. And it does have a barcode. So I would use the barcode scanner function on MyFitnessPal to scan that in. And then it's going to ask me how much I had. And again, since it's 0 calories, I don't need to get the portion size just right. But if I wanted to, this is a liquid measuring cup. And if you can see on the side, at the top there, 8 ounces. So there's my 8 ounces. And I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 of those. And again, this is calorie free, so it's no big deal to double up on the serving size. And then I'll log that as 2 cups or 16 ounces of San Pellegrino, which would be the same for pretty much any calorie-free fizzy water. You do need to pay a little bit more attention to serving size or portion size when you use drinks with calories. So example, this is cranberry blueberry juice. So you have a couple of options. The portion size is going to matter a lot because juice is high in calories, as are a lot of sweet beverages that we drink. So I'm going to use my trusty measuring cup again. I'm going to measure out 8 ounces. If you happen to have canning jars at home, they have a rough measure on the side. So I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't see it very well. But this line on the jar says 4 ounces, and this line says 8 ounces. So my 1 cup measuring cup was pretty much right on with what the canning jar measurements are. So as you can see, that's not a lot of juice. It probably doesn't look like enough to you. And so if you drink out of jars this size or glasses this size, you're probably going to fill it to the top. And in that case, you just had 2 cups of juice. And so you'd want to log either 2 cups of juice, or since this was 1 cup, was 8 ounces, and we did it twice, then it would be 2 cups or 16 ounces. You can see on the side, on the nutrition facts label, that the serving size is 8 fluid ounces. And so in MyFitnessPal, it's very likely, after you scan the barcode, that it would give you the option for entering ounces or cups. But you can see why portion size matters so much with drinks that have calories, because when we looked at 8 ounces, it looked kind of small to us, so I doubled it to 16. Well, that means I just had to double these calories too, which means I just had 220 calories, or I'm about to have 220 calories just from juice. And that doesn't even include my wrap or my fruit if I was having something else at the meal. All right, so just a few tips on tracking your beverages on MyFitnessPal.